From the last ones, in that here we're going at a sort of different aspect of the natural user interfaces, really looking at being able to do speech recognition and machine translation and integrating those together. And Frank and Kit are going to, from our Microsoft Research Asia, will give you an idea of sort of what they're doing here, what they're trying to accomplish. Again, this is all by way of trying to understand what we are able to do and to think about the kinds of applications we'll be able to build in the future that allow people to communicate better together. So,
yeah.
Go for it.
So thanks for the intro. Yeah, so as Rick said, what we're showing here is what we think is going to be the next big direction for voice communication, unified communications. You may know next versions of Exchange are going to have voicemail transcription. We do something crazier. We do full transcription of an entire telephone call. And then we're crazy enough to even try to do translation live on that. So if you step over here into my office in Australia, and in sunny Australia, I'm now going to make a call using Communicator to my colleague Frank in Germany, rainy Germany. So I'm going to start a voice call. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, so what you're seeing here is everything I'm saying is being transcribed automatically by speech recognition. And then it's pasted here into Communicator. And that's going to get archived automatically in my Exchange inbox, so I can come back and search and forward and browse my telephone calls. Okay, that's already pretty cool. But we do something even more ambitious. Frank, you've been very quiet.
Ja, dafür gibt es einen Grund.
Yes, there is a reason.
Weil ich kein Englisch spreche.
Of course, no English speaking.
But we can understand you very well, so can you explain why?
Ja, in diesem System kombinieren wir Spracherkennung mit automatischer Übersetzung.
Yes, in this system combines speech recognition with automatic translation.
Und dann an automatische Übersetzung weitergegeben.
Everything I say is recognized by a speech recognizer, and then passed on to automated translation.
And then this is synthesized using text-to-speech. And we do have German synthesis as well. Okay, I'm not going to show you that because I assume not everyone here speaks German, so we'll mute that for now. Now, Frank, what about the accuracy? What do you think?
Naja, es ist offensichtlich nicht perfekt.
Well, it's obviously not perfect.
Aber man kann durchaus bereits eine Unterhaltung mit dem System führen.
But we can certainly already lead a conversation with the system.
In fact, we developed some of this software using this system where we had a fully bilingual conversation. It is doable, but you do need to give a little bit of attention to what you say and how you say it.
Ja, und besonders wenn man keine Alternative hat, kann man mit dem System durchaus gemeinsam Probleme lösen. Das System erfordert zugegebenermaßen ein bisschen Übung.
Particularly if you have no alternative, it will solve quite common problems with the system. The system requires admittedly a little practice.
And we do give some help to make sure that the translation is working well. You would have noticed here the live transcript here, which tells you if the recognition is working well. Also here, you will see what we call the retranslation. Here we translate first from English into German and then back into English. So this gives you an idea whether what you're saying is going to get translated well or not. Okay, many technologies come together to make this work because this is an incredibly difficult problem. And, we're doing live speech recognition here. This is highly impressive or highly entertaining at least.